G'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making bagel bites and they've got only 3 ingredients. We're going to take some almond flour, we're going to take some baking powder and some Greek yogurt. And we're going to mix it all together. You can bake these in the air fryer if you have one. I'm going to put them in the oven because I don't have. So we're going to mix this all together till it forms like a dough. Now that it's mixed, we're going to roll it and we're going to dip it, cover it in everything but the bagel seasoning. Now if you have an air fryer, you can pop them in the air fryer. I'm going to pop them in the oven because I don't have an air fryer. And we're going to bake them. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to show you what they look like. So I just took them out of the oven. So if you're air frying, it's going to take a lot shorter time. If you put it in the oven, I'm going to put it in the recipe. You need a higher heat for longer. But they look amazing. They become very light. It's like a little bagel bites. And the protein comes from, you've got almond flour and the Greek yogurt. So there you have it. 3 ingredient, great snack, bagel bites. Enjoy.